Hi, good morning. Happy Sunday. It's June 14. Good morning. Again, this is Justin, and this is our virtual Bible study. Just a very quick, as it's Sunday. I'm going to church. But yeah, ngayon nag-devotion ako and pinabasa sa akin ng Lord or pinakita sa akin ng Lord kung ano yung cost of being a disciple. No? So, let's just jump right into it. As sabi sa Luke 14:33. In the same way, any of you who does not give up anything he has cannot be my disciple. So Jesus said it himself that being a disciple costs something. It's not just you're following Christ. Hindi mo lang siya sinusunod dahil nasabihan ka lang. Hindi mo lang siya sinusunod dahil nasa church ka. Hindi mo sinusunod siya dahil nasa isang certain group or community ka. Susundin mo siya nang merong kang gini-give up. No, sinulat ko doon sa sa notebook ko na to follow Christ or to follow Christ must be a costly offering. No, hindi siya pwedeng yes dahil wala kang pasok ng Sunday. Yes, attend tayo ng Sunday. Ministry tayo ng Sunday. No, it needs to be in everything. No, it's everyday basis na pagsunod kay Jesus. Hindi lang Sunday kasi day off ka ng Sunday or wala kang kapasok sa school ng Sunday or dahil wala kang ginagawa sa buong araw mo tuwing Sunday. So it should be an everyday reverence or pagsunod sa Panginoon. And through that we're called disciples. In the same way, any of you who does not give up everything, hindi niya sinabi ni Lord na give up this vices, give up this job, give up this time, give up this money. No, it says everything. Jesus said it everything. So, give up natin yung anumang meron tayo. We're going to deny ourselves, pick up our cross daily, to be called a disciple of God, disciple of Christ. So, and sunod na verse doon, actually nakakalagay dito sa Bible ko, nabasa ko na siya way back 2016. So it's 10 years from now. So sabi doon sunod is salt is good, but if it loses its saltiness, how can it be made salty again? It is neither for soil or for manure pile. It is thrown out. He who has ear, let him hear. So, paano nga ba pag nawala yung saltiness or yung spark natin, 'di ba? Yung salt, wala na siyang wala na siyang gamit pag nawala yung kanyang pagiging salt. Hindi na din siya pwedeng ilagay sa lupa, hindi din siya pwedeng ipatambak sa manure, sa pile of manure. So, itatapon na lang siya. So, kaya paano natin ito i-connect sa ating pagiging disciple? So, if our heart sa pagdi-disciple or sa pagiging disciple natin is just based on our free time, free money, or free day, it's just going to cost us nothing. Dun papasok yung burnout kasi ginagawa mo siya as of your responsibility and duties na lang. Hindi mo siya ginagawa out of love. Hindi mo siya ginagawa out of your your surrendering your love or your body to Jesus Christ. So again, you should give up everything that we have. Hindi naman literal na iiwan mo tong ganyan, iiwan mo tong ganyan. But sabi nga, 'di ba, sinabi din sa Bible, I forget the verse, but do everything for God. Lahat ng ginagawa na, whether you drink, you eat, you sleep, you talk, you work, you play sports, do it for the glory of God. And that shows how that is the cost of being a disciple of Christ. So, yeah, this day 2, pipilitin kong magkaroon ng araw-araw na series na ganito. Basta kaya. And yeah, God bless. Happy Sunday.